To charge the Samsung Z Flip 6, in the top part of the box, on the other side, there is this hidden leaflet. And if you pull this one out, this actually has a charging cable inside of it. There is no charging brick though, so you will need to get a charging brick, which is USB-C. I recommend getting the Samsung super fast charging USB-C brick. And if you want to buy one, just go on Google and search for the 25 watt charger Samsung. Scroll down and locate the Samsung website, and then select this one and buy the charging brick. You then connect one end of the charger into the charging brick and then the other end into the phone, and it will start charging. That's the first way. Now the second way is you buy a wireless charger. So it still has a cable. You still have to connect one end to a charging brick. However, what you do is, let's say I fold up the Z Flip 6. You place the charging coil on this side of the phone which doesn't have the touchscreen, and then it will do wireless charging, so you don't have to connect a cable in. This charging is slower and does emit more heat. If you have an Android device, there is reverse power sharing. So under the battery settings, if we select the wireless power sharing and we turn it on, you place the Z Flip 6 on the back of the phone, and you can see it will actually charge just like that.